Today I'm going to be showing you how to wire a Tranberg floodlight using a Phoenix Quick Connect. We're going to remove the black quick on nut, unscrewing it from the splice body. We'll separate these two. Thread the quick on nut through the wire first. Then we're going to thread the wire through the splice body. Normally you will have a gland here that will create a watertight seal. In this example, we are using a thinner cable than normal. Once we feed the wires through the splice body, we will look at our instructions to make sure we are using the right wiring format. This is a 200 to 240 volt AC light. In this situation, we need to use the neutral, we need to use the ground, and we need to use one live. This information can be found in the instruction manual. All we need to do here is to pull them down into the little splice cut. You can see they're all labeled. Once you've connected those, you will trim the wires as flush as possible to the splice body. Align the black line on the splice body found by the ground to the white line on the quick connect body. You'll be able to push these in and then screw on the quick on nut. And you can hand tighten this. You'll actually see a tab here and you'll know you've gone all the way in. When this tab clicks, feel free to contact us if you have any more questions.